Guys, I welcome you to the lecture series on ICS Introduction to Cybersecurity. And today, our topic will be antivirus scanning and its different techniques, basic analysis. So, myself, Dr. Dibya Bora. Let's start today's class. So, what do you mean by antivirus or antivirus software? An antivirus software was originally developed to detect and remove computer viruses, hence the name. And about the computer viruses, we have discussed a lot on it. We have gone through different malwares also. Okay, kindly refer that if you have not gone already. But however, with the proliferation of other kinds of malware, antivirus software started to provide protection from other computer threats also. Because you have seen that not just the viruses, we have threats from other different types of malwares also. So as the time progress, the antivirus software has included the services to protect our files from those different other threats also. In particular, modern antivirus software can protect users from malicious browser helper objects, that is BHOS, you may note it down, browser hijackers, ransomware, keyloggers, backdoors, rootkits, Trojan horses, worms, malicious LSPs, dialers, fraud tools, adwares, and spyware. Okay, so they are different other traits. Now, some products mean some antivirus softwares. You know, we have antivirus software from different companies like Norton, McAfee. Okay, so they also include protection from other computer threats such as infected and malicious URLs, spam, scam, and phishing attacks, online identity, online banking attacks, social engineering techniques, advanced persistent threats, botnet, DDoS attacks. If you are using Windows system, you will see Windows Defender in this system. Can you tell me what is this Windows Defender and what type of services this Windows Defender provide? Now, antivirus scanning. So, what is antivirus scanning and how it actually performs? So, antivirus scanning is performed to scan our system files whether to check whether they have been infected by some viruses or any other kind of malware. And while doing so, it performs following basic functions. I'm noting four of them. First one, scanning directories or specific files for known malicious patterns indicating the presence of malicious software. Allowing users to schedule scans so that they run automatically. Allowing users to initiate new scan at any time. And removing any malicious software if detected. And some antivirus software programs do this automatically in the background, while others notifies users of infection and asks them if they want to clean the files or not. You will see this case in our Windows Defender also. Okay, so these are the main basic functions performed by every antivirus scanning. Now, if we talk about various detection techniques of antivirus software, then I am bringing three important of them. The first one is, and these are very important, okay? You better take a screenshot of each of them. The first one is signature based detection. Well, what is this? Originally, antivirus software depended on this particular type, means signature based detection to flag malicious software. And antivirus programs depends on the stored virus signatures. And you know what is signature? Signatures are unique strings of data that are characteristics of known malware. Got it? So the antivirus software uses the signatures to identify when it encounters viruses that have already been identified and analyzed by security expert. So signature-based detections are totally depend on some previous virus signatures. Okay, so it is not actually capable of dealing with some new viruses. If I talk about the disadvantage of signature based malware, then they cannot detect new malware, including variants of existing malwares. Signature based detection can only detect new viruses when the definition file is updated with information about the new virus. Means you have to regularly update your files, update your antivirus, sorry. So, but this is actually, day by day, this number is increasing, the number of different threats increasing. So this may be treated as a disadvantage of signature-based malware. But you have to note down that it does not usually provide false positive matches. Whenever it provides some reports, then this is exactly correct one. Then we have heuristic based detection, and it uses an algorithm to compare the signatures of the known viruses against potential threats. And with heuristic based techniques, antivirus software can detect viruses that have not been discovered yet, as well as already existing viruses that have been disguised or modified or released as new viruses. You got it? Means we have some known virus cases, and they are being compared with some potential threat. So in that way, with the help of these heuristic based techniques, we got to know about some new potential threats. So disadvantage is that this method can also generate false positive matches when antivirus software detects a program behaving similarly to a malicious program and incorrectly identifies it as a virus, although it may not be a virus. Okay, that is heuristic based detection. And the last one is behavior based detection. So behavior-based detection is technique is used to analyze an object's behavior or potential behavior for suspicious activities and infers malicious intent based on those observations. As an example, code that attempts to perform unauthorized or abnormal actions would indicate that the object is malicious or at least suspicious. Examples like examples of this type of behaviors like modifying and deleting large number of files, monitoring keystrokes, changing settings of other programs, and remotely connecting to computer. And these are actually changing the behaviors. Means you are deleting your maximum number of files are deleted at once. Okay, so those files may be treated as viruses or possible threats, and they are coming under the techniques of behavior-based detection techniques to scan them. So they are the main different types. Okay, so we got that signature based malware, heuristic based malware, scanning technique, signature based scanning technique, and then heuristic based scanning technique, and then behavior based detection techniques. So I hope you have got what I have illustrated in this lecture about antivirus scanning, its different types. Okay, so as a question of today's lecture, and these are the reference, of course, as a questions of today's lecture, and the question is, what do you understand by browser helper objects? That is BHOS. Comment your answer. Okay, so meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.